Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino. 4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Doc and he said, stop this chaos on the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino. 3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino rain. 2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark. Stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino rain.
I was so lucky.
2 broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said oops. Fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train. Hi Joe, they fixed the train. All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them all and says, let's ride the Dino train today. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino Owl bubbles crack cash plash. Bubble bubble pop pop pop. Kitty says don't let it stop. Baby shark goes splash splash splash. The bubbles just crash crash. Step up pop up up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Vicky blows a bubble small, then a giant bubble ball. Baby shark comes in with cheer. Bubble party starting here. Bubble bubble pop pop pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom zoom zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Bubbles fly right past. Pop pop pop, jump and play. Catch the bubbles every. Baby shark goes splash splash splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Pop goes one right on Kitty's nose, then another on her toes. Oh no no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop pop pop, jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall. Tiny bubbles giant called. Kitty spins and slips around. Hey, pop 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 goes every sound. Hey, bubble bubble in the air. Popping bubbles everywhere. Last big bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby shark jumps super high. Pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 jump and play. Ding ding bell, school is near, but something spooky appears right here. Mummy, zombie, witch and more. Knock, knock, knock on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker-a-glay. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says good night. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is number one. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, 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 dance and play. Spooky school is fun today. Ding, ding bell, school is fun. Spooky friends for everyone. Mummy, zombie, witch and all. Kitty school is the best of all. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Baby shark says no, no, no. I don't want to sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby. Kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed. Pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air. Toys and bubbles everywhere. He says, I'm not sleepy now. That makes funny sharky sounds. No, 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 don't sleep that night. Baby sharky's jumping set. Kitty walks in soft and slow. Moonlight starts to gently glow. Tiny stars float in the room. Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast. Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night. Close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo. Magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high. Sleepy moon lights up the sky. Baby shark slows down a bit. Yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Thrippy shark knows where you are. Soft breeze blows the curtain slow. Nightlight makes a gentle glow. Baby shark hugs Teddy tight. Everything feels warm tonight. Kitty whispers, close your eyes. Dreams are waiting in the sky.
Just for you.
Sleep, sleep, drift away. Dreamy nighttime ends the game. Baby shark now snores so sweet. Tiny tail under the sheet. Kitty smiles and tucks him in. Magic lullaby rings again. Moon and stars shine way above. Nighttime filled with sleepy love. Sleep, sleep, Trey's lullaby saves the day.
Oh, no.
Sweet dreams now, hip hip hooray. There's Farmer Kitty on the farm today. But something strange in a funny way. Dark Kitty on the farm to eBay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch crunch crunch. Hey is gone. Cow looks shocked. Mood is wrong. Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket, eats the floor. Crunch 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 crunch. E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats fast. Oh no no no. Kid says wink, my food is here. Kitty shouts, oh yes, cheer. Big burgers, apples, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. My food is gone. Kitty burps, carry on.
Oink, 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 oink.
E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats it all, you know. Rooster shouts, cock-a-doodle-dee. Kitty says, I'll eat that too.
Oh, no.
Seeds, grains, crunch, crunch fast. Nothing lasts, nothing lasts. Rooster cries, what is this? Kitty says, delicious bliss. Cock-a-doodle, E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats fast, don't you know? Sheep says, Papa, grass is mine. Kitty says, looks so fine. Pit grass on, whole field clean. Sheep says, this is not mean. Kitty rolls, yummy, yummy. Farm is now an empty tummy. Ba ba ba, E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats it all, you know. Now the farm is empty land. Animals looking very sad. Kitty suddenly stops and sees.
Oh, no.
Oh no, I ate everything. She rubs her belly slow. Maybe I should stop. You know, Farmer Kitty had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. But she ate it all, you know, no. Oh, I'm gone too fast, nothing left. Oh, what a blast! E-I-E-I-O, 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 E-I-E-I-o. Kitty says, I take it all, yo. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Happy birthday to you, Erkai! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Happy birthday to you, Uttari! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! But wait, what's that sound? Kitty's cake is dancing round! Shake, 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 spin around! A crazy cake is bouncing round! Pretty's birthday starts today! Balloons and candy everywhere! Presents stacked up by the wall! And friends are dancing big and small! Happy birthday, clap, 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 clap! Kitty wears a party hat! Happy birthday to you, Erkai! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Happy birthday to you, Erkai! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Big cake sits on the stand. Kitty smiles and starts to dance.
no.
But suddenly the cake says hey, then jumps right up and runs away. Shake, 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 catch the cake. Don't let it escape today. Cake rolls fast across the floor. Kitty chases out the door. Happy birthday to you, Erkai! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Dancing cake and kitty too! 5 skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone dead. The rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, "I know, no more skeletons stealing eggs tonight." 4 skeletons came back again, thinking they could steal like vengeance. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Not in my farm, you can't take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, "Poor thing, stay away from this farm tonight." 3 skeletons tried once more, sneaking quietly near the door. But Kitty jumped with a magic sound and made them vanish all around. Kitty said, "This is not your place." They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, "No more stealing eggs tonight." 2 skeletons came super slow, but Kitty said, "No, no, no." One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. 1 skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone. He saw her and started to flee. "No more eggs for me, I'm free." Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning light. No more stealing eggs
Almost got 'em all
tonight.
into the basket.